Go, Christy, light it up.
If you're gonna do it, you're gonna have to take light off. No, you can't.
Maybe your hair.
Here you go, Christy.
Who else wants to?
Libby, you want to go first?
We have two more. Who wants one?
You put this on the tube. Stick this on just a little bit.
And then you push this forward first, and then you pull this back.
Over your line.
Like I did.
Make sure that the little circle part is on the bottom, not the sphere.
Like that?
Last one! Who wants the last one?
Who wants the last one?
Who wants the last one?
I'll do it.
I don't know, you kind of ran away scared there.
Mind someone's way? Can I go for a minute? And then you run back? Gorilla!